you're looking for ways to make extra money this summer, then stay tuned and be sure to check out the comments below for some extra tips. Most people think you have to mow lawns, babysit, or do some more work hours at your current job, but I'm going to show you guys some unconventional ways to make money this summer. Considering the fact that I'm a mama to a toddler, a full-time entrepreneur, a YouTuber, I really don't have extra time to make money. So it has to be a part of my everyday routine just while I'm out running errands. I'm going to show you guys some unconventional but tried and true ways that you can make some quick cash this summer. Since I'm already here for some milk and eggs, I'm going to just shoot over to the clearance aisle and see what goodies I can find. Definitely is the least amount of work. You basically just walk down the aisle, find something cheap, and then sell it for a lot higher. Pretty simple. Every now and then you can find bulk amounts of really good deals and then sell them all and make tons of money. Go ahead and make that quick trip to Goodwill. Now this is slightly more work than Walmart, but okay. It still has really high profit margins. One of the first things that I like to check out is the electronics section, because people are getting rid of pretty much like new or brand new items for whatever reason, maybe Christmas presents, decluttering, upgrading. So I typically like to look here first and see what I can find. I've actually found some really amazing stuff while I've been here, such as a Breville smart oven, a Nespresso, a brand new Kenmore microwave. So it's really amazing all the things you can find. Just like the electronics, a lot of people will also get rid of their name brand clothing. I've actually found name brands like Patagonia, Nike, Under Armour. Now, this is a little bit harder to sell, but because you can ship, your audience is a lot larger and worldwide. The next place I like to check out is the furniture section. Now, some pieces may look a little worn out or a little outdated, but with a little bit of love and creativity, you can make it into a beautiful trending piece. Oh man, it's sold. If you ever see something you like, go ahead and grab the tag, because nice pieces like this do get sold pretty much right away. While you're home, you'd be surprised of all the things that you can sell that you don't necessarily need around your house, like this flower pot here, for instance, or this floor lamp. Clothes that I no longer need, or maybe no longer fit, or I just simply don't like. Outgrown baby toys, unused mini fridge, my husband's grill, our dining room table. You can get quite a bit of money for this baby. My brand new car, or my dog. Okay, I might have taken that a little too far. Let's go back to the clothes. I found this thrifting. I got this gifted, brand new, never worn. This Patagonia jacket, too small. Great items to sell. So what I'm gonna do is take pictures of all of these with a pretty backdrop and then put them all up on Facebook Marketplace to sell. Photos are key, so make sure your lighting and your backdrop looks great and light and airy.
So go ahead and jump on Facebook Marketplace and post the photos that you just taken of the items you're selling. If you want to learn how to do this, post a comment below and I'll make a separate video tutorial for you guys. And while you're on here, go ahead and check out the free stuff tab and see what items are free that you can just turn around, pick up, and sell.
Yay! And there it is, sold! All I have to do now is just go package it. Even though packaging is just a small portion of the selling process, it's very, very important. So if you want to learn how to package and ship from the comfort of your own home, you can check out this video right over here where I give you tips and tricks on selling from your own space.